Hello everyone, welcome to Almighty Tricks. So today we'll be solving one question from reverse only letters. Okay, so this question is saying we need to reverse the English characters, English letters, but we cannot reverse the apart from the English character. Okay, so let's understand what this question is asking and how we can solve this question. Okay, so the question is saying let's say our input is given like this: B, C, X, Z. Okay, the output should be Z, X, C, B. Okay, so we cannot reverse this character. We cannot reverse this character. We just need to reverse the English letter. Okay, so it can be uppercase or it can be lowercase. Okay, so let's understand how we can solve this one. So this input is saying B, C, X, Z. Okay, so let's convert it to a character array, so by which we can understand easily. B, C, X, Z. Okay, so this is the character array. Okay, so we will be using two pointers approach to solve this question. Okay, and here basically we will be using ASCII value of the English character. So ASCII value means for small a, the ASCII value is starting from 97 to 122. This is the Z value. Okay, this is the Z value. For capital character, it is starting from 65 to 90. Okay, so this is capital Z. So we'll be using these range to know whether this is a character, whether this is an English character or not. Okay, so let's understand. So initially we'll be putting one pointer at the front and another pointer at the rear end. Okay, so let's say this is a array. Okay, so what we'll do, so we'll first check whether a of I and a of j are character or not. If both are character, then we'll be swap and we'll increment the I with one value and decrement j with one value. Okay, and what we'll do, if if it is not a English character, then if let's say this B is not a English character, let's say this is here some other character is there, and whenever we'll check with this range, it will give false. Okay, so for this actually we'll be putting this as it is in the output variable, and we'll increment this I. Okay, so if this a of I is not equals to English character, then we'll increment I plus plus. Okay, and similarly for j also, if it is not English character, then we decrement the j. So if a of j is not English character, then we will decrement the j. Okay, so let's try run this one. So let's take this array. Okay, and we'll take one example x a. This is the character array, let's say. Then C, B, L. Okay, so first of all we need to put one pointer here and one pointer at the rear end. Okay, so first of all we'll check a of I and a of j both are English character or not. Yes, both are English character. Then we'll swap this one. So after swapping, L will come here x will come here. Okay, then I will increment to here and j will decrement to here. Now we'll check, is I is English character? Yes, I is English character, so we'll stay as it is. Now we'll check j is English character. No, j is not English character, so as it is, this character will be put here and j will decrement. Okay, so j will decrement. Now we'll check whether a of I and a of j both are English character. Yes, both are English character. Now we'll swap. So b will come here, a will come here. Okay. Now I will come here and j will come here. Okay. So now we'll check whether I is a English character. No, a of I is not English character. So we'll put as it is. And j is a English character. Yes, j is a English character. So and I is not English. So as it is, it will put. Okay, so this is the output. This is the output. So we'll be running this loop. We'll take the while loop and we'll be running till I is less than j. Okay, so this logic we'll be writing. So let's understand. Let's write the code. So we can have the n. So s dot length of the string. Okay, then we can have the first pointer is 0, starting from 0. Second pointer j will start starting from n minus 1. Okay, we can use the string directly, but for understanding purpose, let's take it as a character. Okay, c is s dot to char array. So it will take the extra space. Okay, but using input array input string only we can do this, but I am trying to explain you better way, so that's why I took the character array. Okay, so the loop will run till I is less than j. Okay, now what we'll do, we'll take we'll create one util method to check the English character or not. Eng char English character not. So here in the method the argument will be character c type. Okay, now we'll check if so default it will return false. Okay, so here we'll check the range. So if character is greater than equals to 97, okay, greater than equals to 97, if it is a small letter, and c is less than equals to 122, so it is a small letter. Okay, and also we need to check the capital letter also, or c is greater than equals to 65 and c is less than equals to 90, then it is a capital letter. So we'll return true as it is a English character. Okay, so now here we need to call this method if both I and j are a of I and c of I and c of j are English character, if and English character of j both are English character, then we need to swap. How we can swap? So character, let's say temp is c of j. Okay, then c of j, this is normal swapping technique. C of I, hope you know this technique. So c of I equals to temp. So now it is swapped. Then we need to increment one place of I and decrement one place of j. Else we need to check if character of I, sorry, here we need to pass the c of I, this is method, sorry. Similarly, here also we need to pass C of J. Okay, so here we need to check if C of I is not an English character. If C of J is C of I is not an English character, then we need to increment the I. So it will go to next uh, index. Else, else, else. We can use the else directly. Otherwise, just for understanding purpose, I am writing the all code English char of C of J is not English character. Then we'll decrement the J. Okay, now it is swapped. Okay, now we need to return as a string. So we can so as I am using Java, so I can directly use the string value of. Otherwise, for other language, maybe you need to traverse and you can prepare the string and return. So return string dot value of C. Okay, so run this one. Okay, we are getting some error. Okay, submit it. Okay, so hope you understood this approach. Again, I want to mention that we can directly use this string input, so we no need to convert it to character array. So just for understanding purpose, I have converted to character array, but you can directly use this input string to swap all this thing. Okay, so hope you understood the approach. Thank you for watching this video.